there's someone right now that's listening that wants to start their first home project this weekend, what is the simplest advice that you can give them and leave them with today?
The simplest advice is, and I said it before, what is the worst that could happen? What is the worst that can happen? Very little things can be not fixed, really. So I would just give it a go. And if you've never done anything before, you've not even picked up a spanner, flat pack furniture. Although I slated it a minute ago, flat pack furniture is a really great place to learn because it's a nightmare to put together, but you will learn a lot because you've got to use a lot of tools.
I want to talk about analysis paralysis and decision overwhelm. Have you learned how to be more decisive with your decision making over the past 10 years?
You've got to have lists. You've got to have lists somewhere, like on your phone or written down, because otherwise you're just going to miss something. Because, like you say, there's just so many decisions to make. But yeah, I definitely think I've become a lot better at decision making. I've definitely become a lot more confident in that kind of aspect.
How has DIY or just home renos and just the home that you've created for your family over the past decade, how has that shifted your confidence and just your overall mindset?
Yeah, I definitely think it's massively increased my confidence. I think I just sort of got to the point where I thought, well, there isn't any actual reason why I can't do this. That I can do this. So, and if I don't try, then I'll never know.